Today, I'm returning with another banger for you all to enjoy. We are gonna be making some cheesy Southern mac and cheese. So easy to make, yet so delicious. Let's not ramble too much and let's get on to the recipe. All right, everyone, you wanna begin obviously with a boiling pot of hot water. Go ahead and pop the top on that bad boy. And you could normally season up your water with just regular salt, but we're gonna step it up a little bit today. We're gonna be using some chicken bouillon. We're gonna just dump that right onto the water. And obviously we're gonna be using some elbow pasta. Grab your favorite elbow pasta. And we're gonna dump that right on into our pot, guys. Nice and easy. Get that in there. Give it a nice little stir. And I'm just gonna top it off just like so. And you wanna let it boil until it's al dente. And once it is, you're gonna go ahead and drain it and set it off to the side as we move on to the next step. First off, we gotta work on getting that amazing cheesy sauce going. So I have a pan here. We got it to about a medium high. And then I'm gonna begin with tossing in a little bit of unsalted butter. This is about 2 tablespoons, so go ahead and pour that in. Go ahead and get your butter into the pan. This is unsalted butter. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. I'm a little bit hot. And then to this, we're gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of some all-purpose flour. You wanna go ahead and give that a nice stir. You really want to create what they call a roux with the butter and the flour. Kind of break up the chunks a little bit as you can. I'm running a little bit of hot, but we are looking good so far. To that, I'm gonna add in some heavy whipping cream, about 1 cup. And I'm gonna give that a stir. So we're adding in about 12 ounces of some evaporated milk. Go ahead and get that into the pan there. You want this to come up to a nice little simmer. Right now. We're a little bit of cold because of that heavy cream was in the fridge. I'm gonna give it a second. I want this to start bubbling a little bit so it can look nice and pretty. So our pan is heating up a little bit. It's getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and season this up just like so. On the screen, I've listed everything you need to do so. And of course, it will be listed in the description box as well, as always. All right, now we're gonna add in our cheese. I have some mild cheddar as well as some Coby Jack mixed up. We have a total of about 2 pounds of cheese, but obviously we're not gonna use all of this in our cheesy sauce right here. We're gonna save some so we can top off our mac and cheese before it goes in the oven, guys. But you do want this to be nice and ooey gooey, if you know what I mean. So I'm just adding a little bit at a time, kind of eyeballing it. I could say it's probably 1 pound of cheese that's gonna end up going in the sauce, and maybe like another pound going on top of our mac and cheese before it goes in the oven. But look at that sauce. That is looking good so far. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And you could use any cheese of your choosing. This is kind of like the blend that I like to do, but the options are endless. Obviously, you know, there's like a million types of cheese, and this is just what we're rocking with today. Look at that. That's what we're looking for. Nice and gooey, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. This thing is so thick, thicker than you know what. Look at that. All right, guys, I have my macaroni noodles drained. Like I said, these are ready to go al dente. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna just toss it right on into this cheesy sauce right here. Whew. I got my oven also preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we can have that pretty much ready to go. That is looking amazing. I ain't even gonna lie. Come on now. This is gonna slap, guys. I'm trying to let you know. Stop playing with your boy. Go ahead and toss all that in there. Mix it up. And this is pretty much ready to transfer onto our baking pan. So we could pop this bad boy in the oven. This is looking so good, guys. Look at that. Come on. Come on. And this is full of flavor too, baby. Oof. All right, guys, I have a 13 by 9 pan right here, and we're gonna toss this yummy, ooey gooeyness right into this right here. Again, this is a 13 by 9 pan, but you know, whatever you have in your kitchen, obviously you can make it work for you. So go ahead and just spread that nice and evenly across your pan like so. Look at that. And we are ready to top this off. Like I said, we're gonna throw about another pound of that cheese blend right over the top. So without further ado, let's get this thing cheesy. Look at that. Once your cheese is nice and melted, you can also turn your broiler on and let it broil into its nice brown and beautiful. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. You're ready to pop this bad boy in the oven. Let's not waste any time and get it right on in there. Obviously, go ahead and spread your cheese around. Make sure you're looking good. This is it. We are ready to pop this in the oven, guys. In the oven we go. All right, guys, our mac and cheese is ready and it looks glorious, guys. Come take a look at this. We are looking good, smelling good. What I did, I let the cheese melt at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, like I said, for about, let's say 15 minutes-ish. And then I stuck it in the broiler at like a low broil. You definitely want to keep your eyes on it. You do not want your cheese to burn, okay? But leave it in your broiler until it's nice and golden brown so you get that beautiful crust like I have here. And it's just looking divine right now. I cannot wait to dig in. Let's not waste time. Let's get into it, guys. Wow, oh, wow. Whew. Cheers, everybody. It's hot too. It's fresh up out the oven. This thing is smoking hot. Let me try not to burn my mouth. That is amazing. That is so freaking good, so flavorful, so easy to make. As you saw, this takes no effort, guys, no effort at all. And it's just simply amazing. Perfect with darn near everything, you know what I'm saying? Perfect side dish, or you could serve this on its own as the main dish for dinner. Choice is yours. Hope you guys definitely give it a try. Let me know how you love it down in the comments. Subscribe if you're new, rock that notification bell, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.